Townhouse in Quezon City, pero below 8M lang, allow us to introduce our affordable pre-selling project located in Remarville, Quezon City. Remarville is a guarded subdivision near Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. 8 to 10 minutes away lang po siya from SM Novaliches and 25 to 30 minutes away naman po to SM North EDSA, Trinoma at Cloverleaf Mall. Malapit lang din po siya sa mga market, grocery stores at mga bank. The good thing with this townhouse, solid concrete wall po siya or buhos kaya siguradong matibay. May anti-anay features, reflective windows to resist the heat during maaraw, LED ang mga lights para tipid sa electricity bill at may mga ground wires po sa electrical lines for future innovations. And guess what? Dahil mataas ang appraisal ng townhouse, you just need to pay 10% DP at pwede po nilang i-loan ang 90% remaining balance. Here are the details of this townhouse. At the front is your first and open car garage.
So this is your second car garage. Mataas ang ceiling, may solid main door po sila sa kanilang house. Meron po silang reflectorized glass for your window. Tara!
At solid piano finish sa ating main door. At the ground floor, here is our living area. May magandang TV console, naka-cove light ang ceiling, at may free and modern center light.
So this is our kitchen area. Maganda po ang ating countertop kasi gawa po siya sa natural granite. At maganda rin po ang ating cabinet kasi gawa po siya sa marine board.
At may LED light sa ilalim ng cabinets para maliwanag po sa gagamit ng kitchen. Then sa tabi po ng kitchen, here is our dining area.
Kasya po ang 6-seater na dining table, maganda po ang ceiling, at may magandang center light. Tara, punta naman po tayo sa ating service area. So here is our service area. Then this is our maid's room.
Here is our first toilet and bath.
Okay, now let's go to the second floor.
At the second floor, here is our master's bedroom.
So this is our master's bedroom. Kasya po ang king size na bed.
May sariling cabinet, naka-cove light ang ceiling, may balcony na makikita ang quiet na neighborhood,
at may sariling toilet and bath.
maganda ang fixtures, lalagyan ng glass enclosure, at may kasamang vanity cabinet.
So this is our second bedroom.
May sariling cabinet at maliwanag na room. Beside the second bedroom,
So this is our common toilet and bath.
at may accent wall sa shower area. Beside the stairs,
So this is your storage area para sa inyong mga cleaning materials at iba pang gamit. Lastly, here's our third bedroom.
ang special po sa bedroom na ito ay meron po siyang loft para may additional bed area in case kailangan po natin. We hope you like this affordable house with 10% DP terms lang po kung sila ay magbabank loan. For viewing schedule and inquiries, please contact the Great Temper Realty at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.